Hey everyone, Monique here. This tutorial is mainly if you've gotten to the inquiry form for your clients and you are looking to use TravelJoy, right? So if you are looking to use TravelJoy, I'm going to share screen on a couple of things. This is going to show you how to register with them, use their free trial, and things like that. So this is what TravelJoy.com looks like, right? Simply, you need to make an account just like everything else, right? You're going to go to Get Started for Free. You're going to fill out the information. You're going to create a password, right? No credit card required because right now this is your trial. The trial is usually only for 7 days. So it is a very short trial. However, during that trial, we can give you templates to just add. You don't have to create everything. So that way you're ready and set to go. Once the trial is over, you can reach out to your success coach because most of us have a promo code in which you can use, and that way you will be paying half of what it normally costs for at least 1 month, but sometimes 3 months, right? So we can definitely get that to you so that way you can benefit on the 50% discount. I am going to switch over so that way you see what it looks like once you sign in. So once you sign in, it looks something like this, right? You won't see all of these things. This is just the trips that I currently have, but it'll say probably your name and test or something like that, right? We won't get into contacts and all of those things. We will have tutorials for that. We do have training for that. So don't feel like you have to learn everything. Your success coach will teach you. And they do have tutorials built in TravelJoy as well. But what I am going to show you is if you go over to templates and you go to forms. You will see a lot of default forms that they have made, right? So we have the capability to share a form or a template with you guys. So as you are looking at on the site where it says, click this link here to add this form or template, and then there's just a button that you're gonna say add, it's because we shared this link with you, right? So for example, if I shared this link with you, which is the one that you guys are probably looking at, you will see the actual inquire form, right? So if you go to click on that link, as long as you have TravelJoy and you are signed in, it will automatically add this whole inquire form or inquiry form to your form section, meaning you do not have to make it on your own. It will import it for you, right? So we're making things a lot easier for you guys where you pretty much, once you have your account, you just have to click over and add it or sign in and then add it, right? We also have other forms that we can send you, but this is the main one that we're talking about in this video. But we have the capability to send you different forms as well as different email templates as the computer tries to catch up. So this is just to give you an idea. You see forms, templates. So we have the capability to send you almost anyone that we've personally made, whether it's me or Director Harris or Tiffany or anybody, your success coach that has TravelJoy. However, outside of that, you know, you were set to go. So we just wanted to make sure you had this quick tutorial outside of the written directions. All right, I'm going to stop screen share and we'll talk to you later.